Two-factor authentication not working on DiversyFund Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on DiversyFund, you're not alone. Many users run into this problem when trying to log in, but the good news is it's almost always something you can fix in minutes. Most people assume their account is locked or compromised, but that's rarely the case. Let's start with the most common cause: time synchronization. Two-factor authentication codes are time-based, which means if your phone's internal clock isn't perfectly synced with DiversyFund servers, the codes won't match. Go to your phone settings, enable set time automatically, and restart your phone. If you use Google Authenticator, open it, tap time correction for codes, and hit sync now. If you're not receiving some codes, check your signal strength or try switching to mobile data. Carriers can occasionally delay short code messages. Restarting your device or toggling airplane mode often refreshes the connection and fixes the issue instantly. Next, make sure both your DiversyFund app and your Authenticator app are up to date. Outdated apps can cause mismatched codes or timeout errors. If you recently changed phones or deleted your Authenticator app, you'll need to reset your FA. Go to the DiversyFund login page, select Can't Access FA, and follow the identity verification process. Once confirmed, you can set up a new two-factor authentication connection. One more tip: after re-enabling your FA, save your backup recovery code somewhere safe. Hire your lifeline if this ever happens again. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on DiversyFund, don't panic. It's usually a simple sync or update issue, not a major problem. Follow these quick fixes, and you'll regain secure access to your account, ready to manage your diversify investments with confidence.